affected include Circleville, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Kingston, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Foxville, Laurelville, Clarksburg, Adelphi, Tarleton, Yarbyville, the West Marion State Park, East Ringgold, Deer Creek Lake, Whistler, and consider seeking shelter inside a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for central and south-central Ohio. To report hazardous weather conditions, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a special weather statement.